guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we are trying and playing around with another new indie makeup brand that has landed here in Steff's beauty stash, and that is Makeup Scientist Cosmetics. Makeup Scientist is an indie makeup brand out of North Carolina. It is a Black-owned beauty brand, and I could not be more excited than to be trying them out today. When I saw this on Instagram, I thought it was the cutest little eyeshadow palette, and I just love the whole concept of merging beauty with science, because at the end of the day, guys, you need the science in order to create the makeup, in order to create the skincare. And if you go on the Makeup Scientist Cosmetics website, you're gonna see how appropriately themed and labeled all of their products are. I mean, it's so cute. Things are called lab tools, lab equipment. I mean, it's just really on point with the science theme, and that's really something that I can get behind. And I decided to pick up the Sodium Fine eyeshadow palette. Now, this eyeshadow palette retails for $45. I was able to get it for a little bit less than that using the 30% promo code, and this is what the eyeshadows look like. You have 12 different shadows, you have matte shimmers, and you do have pressed glitters in there. Again, with the science theme, this whole palette is shaped like a little flask, and it is all appropriately named shade-wise, guys. Super, super cute. And on the back, you just have some general information about the product. I do like how the top removes just like that. They do have magnets on it, so it can just clip right back in place. And then when you need to use it, just pop it off. You do have a mirror on this side, and it says makeup is in your DNA. How cute is that? So guys, I will be creating the look you see right here using some of the shades that are in this Makeup Scientist Sodium Fine eyeshadow palette. Before we get into the tutorial portion of today's video, I'm going to insert some swatches that I did of this palette in natural lighting so that you can see what they're going to look like on a fair to light skin tone. I will also leave some of the other products that I am using, which I'm actually in the middle of a foundation review, so stay tuned for that. Everything will be listed in the description box down below, and some of them might be affiliate links. So if you end up purchasing through those links, I thank you in advance for supporting me and this channel. Let's get into this, guys. I'm so excited to be playing around with the Sodium Fine eyeshadow palette from Makeup Scientist Cosmetics. If you want to see how I got the look right here and how this little beauty performs, keep on watching.
You
Alright guys, so let me give you my final thoughts on the Sodium Fine Eyeshadow Palette from Makeup Scientist Cosmetics. First off, let's talk about the packaging. The entire brand is centered around science. So the fact that they created a sodium fine flask-shaped eyeshadow palette is beyond exciting. It is super cute and very much on point for the brand. And what I like about this is a little bit different than some of the other palettes that I have in my collection and maybe what you have in your collection. But the top, it's magnetic and it just pops off. You have a mirror on this side and then you have the shadows on this side. So I kind of like that. I don't have to be fussing with folding anything back. It doesn't get too bulky. It's a really thin eyeshadow palette. It's lightweight. It is like a cardboard material. And then you have those nice large pans, which are all labeled with the shade names. And I just really love the layout. I think it is a great little idea. I love that you have the mirror on this side. It's just really cute. On the back, you have the ingredients on here, and then you have just some other symbols that it's recyclable, it's good for 12 months, and that it's cruelty-free. All of the shade names that are in here, they do correspond to some kind of scientific theme. Here you have Galaxy, Area 51, AU, period, Chemical X, so on and so forth. And it's a really, really pretty color story. You got some purples in there. You have this black down here, which is Chemical X. I didn't use that, but that is like a matte black with specks of glitter in it, I think. Kind of like a shimmer. Actually, no, it's not a matte. It's more of kind of like a satin, maybe. You do have pressed glitters. There's two of them. You have Galaxy at the very top, and then you have Dexter over here at the bottom. I did apply Dexter on my eyelids. Got a little bit of fallout from it, but that's to be expected, guys. It is a pressed glitter. I will say that the rest of the shades, I didn't really get fallout from them. Got maybe just a little fallout with AU right here, which is what I have in the inner corner, but really nothing that has like stuck to my face and doesn't want to come off, which is great because I'm actually in the middle of a foundation review, which I think you'll see that video before you see this one. Not too sure yet, but they're going to be going up one right after the other. So stay tuned for that. This says that it's an extremely pigmented eyeshadow palette. I had no problem with the pigmentation of the shadows. I had no problem blending any of the shadows out. I thought they all blended well into each other, and I really, really love the way my eyes came out. It was really fun to work with this palette. It's an indie makeup brand, and you guys know I've told you this over the last couple weeks. I really want to try my best and support more indie makeup brands. I know a lot of us, you know, we go to Ulta, we buy that's there. Some of the products in Ulta though are indie makeup, but I want to go outside of Ulta. I want to go beyond Sephora and all of that, and I want to order specifically from some of these makeup brands, especially when it's a cute themed palette like this. Like, I loved themed makeup. I love food themed makeup. Now I love science themed makeup. I love when a brand has a theme, and I've tried some really great brands over the last couple months, and I'm just so happy that I was able to add Makeup Scientist to my stash. This little Sodium Fine eyeshadow palette is getting a thumbs up from me, guys. I loved working with it. Love the whole concept behind it. And guys, if you're not already following Makeup Scientist on their social media accounts, I highly encourage you to do so. Makeup Scientist, they put a lot of promo codes out there. I was able to get this palette for 30% off. So it retails normally for $45, and then of course with that discount, I guess I paid around $30, $32, which I don't mind. I think that's a pretty decent price for an eyeshadow palette, especially when it's supporting an indie makeup brand. So guys, what did you think about this look? What did you think about the Makeup Scientist Sodium Fine eyeshadow palette? Is it on your radar? Are you going to be checking out the brand? Leave it in the comment section down below. I want to say a big welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I really hope that you are enjoying my content. As always, guys, if you have any constructive feedback, please leave it in the comment section. And if you have any requests, leave it there as well. I try to honor as many requests as I can and incorporate that into my videos. So let me know, guys, what you want to see from me in the future. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.